Hi guys, my name is Shreya and you're watching Shreya's Lifestyle. So in this video, I'm going to review all my monthly favorite products. So let's get started. So the first product I have is the Damyang Bamboo. This is from Face Shop and this has 99% bamboo gel and this retails for rupees 450. This is available at your stores and also at Nykaa, Amazon. So I'll give the link below because in the description box, but it's really of no use because now we cannot order anything due to the lockdown. But after the lockdown, I'll just place the links. Product Hello Moisturizers. I have really sensitive skin, so really it does suits me and it really didn't break me out. And I used to use the Lotus one of the Face Shop of this range, but that was only good for your winters. But this product is really good for every season. Like you have your monsoon, you have your summer, you have your winter, so this goes with every season. It really never broke me out. And you're getting 300 ml for rupees 450 and it's worth the price. And these, you can see how much I have used this, and this has gel consistency. This is of gel consistency. Hope you can see this. And this really smells so fresh, smells really very fresh. You can just use it as your primer as well because it really tightens your skin as well. And you'll feel just in the winter you'll feel that it's moisturizing your face. In the summer you'll feel that it is just so calm. It was all about the Face Shop Damyang Bamboo Moisturizer. So the next product we move on to the Face Shop Rice Mask Real Nature, and let's see what it claims. So this is the product. So let's see what it claims. It says that the brightening sheet mask with rice extract softens and brightens rough, darkened skin. And because I have been using face masks since many years, so I am a very face mask addictive person. I just love exploring new brands which are just launching their face masks. Even Garnier has also launched there, so I also like Garnier's one. I just used one of it, and I love Nykaa's face masks. The tea tree one is very good, but Innisfree and the Face Shop has got really some good quality products, so I just love them and it really does what it claims. Once you start using face masks, I sure that you will also be addictive to it, and this really just enhance your skin and your complexion, and I just love them. So I will recommend everyone to use this, and this comes for rupees only 100. It's very affordable. And next product we move on to is L'Oreal Paris UV Perfect Super Aqua Essence. This is a sunscreen and this is really very hydrating watery gel, and this is of SPF 50 plus PA UVA. This is how the consistency is. You can see this. This is the consistency. It's watery, creamy, and this smells good because and this doesn't give any ghost finish on your face, because there are certain sunscreen I used to use previously. I'll not go. I hope people can relate to this, but I personally did not like any sunscreen or any product that leaves a white cast on our faces, so that's really not good, right? So this really does what it claims, and this I bought it from Nykaa. You can also get it from Nykaa. If you're going out, just carry this one. This is very portable, and you have to use this just after every 2 to 3 hours. If you wash your face, and rupees 500, yeah, or close to 500, I don't remember. So the next product we move on to is is L'Oreal Professional Liss Ultimate Serum. This retails for rupees 650 and it is a 125 ml. So this is really one of a serum that comprises of everything. This not only helps you to maintain your straight hair but it also helps to retain moisture on your hair. Everything, you will get everything in one serum. We are told Extenso is very good for your permanent straightened hair, but Liss Ultimate is really just too good. I just love it. So the next product we move on to Nykaa Matte to Last mini lipstick, and this is in the shade Madras Kapi. Currently I'm wearing that one. So I just love it. I read so many reviews on Nykaa that this is very small, this just goes out once you just rub it or just wash your face, but this really suits me a lot, and it really stays. And I'll just swatch it over it already. This is very good. Let me see. This retails for rupees, I guess, between 200 to 300. Between 300 this retails. It retails between 300. You can see this is a very beautiful color, and it will suit on every complexion. Trust me, this is very good, and I just love it. All about it. If you like my video, so please do like it. Comment down below what kind of videos do you want more, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Ta-da!